Hey friends, if you wish to adjust spacing in Google Doc, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's called Google Docs, by the way. So click on Format and select Line and Spacing. And now you can select spacing for line, or you can select spacing between paragraphs. So you can say add space after paragraph, and you'll suddenly start noticing space here. And then you can select custom spacing and then change the line spacing to, let us say, 2. And then you can click on apply, and you can also change it for paragraphs. Now here's the thing, I'm showing it for one paragraph. If you want it for all of them, just select that part and then click on format line and paragraph spacing, and then add space after paragraph, and it will add it for all the paragraphs. Similarly for lines, you can click on custom spacing and change it for all the paragraphs here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.